Okay. Now, yeah. Previously, I have done this one. Okay. Now we'll go for the next one. Text field. J text field. How it looks. Okay. This is the example program. Again, we are importing this one, JavaX.swing, and class name we are going to give text field example. In that we have a main. Then we are creating a instance of frame, and the frame name is given text field example, and we are creating the two variables t1 and t2 for a jtext field class. We are creating instance of those two, t1 and t2, and first text field says that welcome to you, and we are going to set the coordinates for that, and the second one we are creating a text field value, and it has to have class in that, and for the text field 2 we are going to give the coordinates. Okay, since we are interested in they are not supposed to overlap, we are increasing the value of y. First one will be at 100 points, second one will be at 150 points. If the values are same, they will be overlap. Okay, then we are adding those two text fields to the frame. Then we are setting the size for frame. Then we are setting the layout. Then we are setting the visibility. As simple as this. Okay, we'll execute this one. Compiling. Executing. Okay, see here. Two text fields are there. One will have welcome to you, welcome to you. The name of the text field example. The text field example is the same name. First text field is having welcome to you, second one is having class. This is what we got. So this is text field. Okay. Then we have say list. List we are going to look at. List example. This one is a list example. Again, everything remains the same. There is a class. We have a constructor for the class. In that constructor, we have a frame instance. And here we are making use of a default list model string L1. Okay. So L1 is the list. For that list, we are adding the elements. Okay. Just like L1 is the array, we are adding the elements to the array. So L1 dot add element item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4. Okay, like that. And we have another instance list. We are doing this one, setting the bounds of a particular list, and here we are giving this array to this particular list. Okay, and we are adding to the list here. This list is added to the frame, and this list is having item 1, item 2, item 3, and item 4. So this is the model here, and here we have a list, and for that list L1 is the input, and that overall list is having these 4 items will be added to the frame. Size of the frame given, layout given, visibility is given. And from the main, we are instantiating list example that will be this class. Okay, and we will execute this and we'll see how it works. Here, list one, item 1, item 2, item 3, item. This one, yeah, this. This is the frame, and that frame there is a list. List is having 4 items. Next one will go for combo box. Okay, it's a drop down list. Let's see that how it looks like. Combo box is open. Again, we are importing JavaSwing class combo box example. We are having one variable for JFrame class. Combo box example is a constructor of this class. In that we are instantiating this JFrame and given a combo box example. And we have a string array which is named as country. Okay, the array of string which is named as country, and it has got these many values: India, Australia, USA, England, New Zealand. Okay, now for the combo box, we are creating the instance. Okay, in that instance, we are giving country. Country is nothing but name of the array, and that array is having these many names of the nations. And we are setting the bounds for combo box. Okay. Then we are adding the combo box to the frame, setting the layout for the frame, size of the frame and visibility set as true. And in the main, we are invoking the instance of combo box example. We will see how it. Here combo box, the drop down list, it is first value is getting displayed because first value is India here in this array. Okay. Okay. If you click on this, we have list of the nations: India, Australia, USA, New Zealand. That is what they have given as the values of the string array country, and that is added to the J combo box instance, that is CB, and that CB is added to the frame. So that frame is having that particular combo box. So this entire frame, we have a combo box. Within that combo box, there is a string array which is named as country, and with these given values. This is combo box. Then we have a tabbed thing. We have a tabbed thing. Okay. And we'll see how it looks. Tabbed thing. Okay. It's a different type of component. Once you have a output, you get to know how it looks like. So everything remains the same. So we want to have multiple things here. So text area, we want to have a text area. We want to have a panel. So J panel, and its instance we have created, and for that panel we have added a text area. TA is nothing but this one. Then we have two panels, P2 and P3. Okay. P1 is having the text area, and we are creating a TP, that is a tabbed pane instance, and we are setting the coordinates for tabbed pane. Then for that particular tabbed pane, we are adding the P1, P2, P3. Okay. P1, P2, P3 are nothing but instance of panel. J panel, P1, J panel, P2, J panel, P3. And the name of the P1 is having the name, name of the P2 is visit, name of the P3 is help, and P1 is having text area. And text area size we have 200, 200 with my height. Then the tabbed pane is added to the frame, setting the size of the frame, setting the layout for the frame, and setting its visibility, then instantiating the tabbed pane example. This one. Compilation successful. So this is how the output looks like. So main is the name of P1, visit is the name of the P2, help is the name of the. Okay. See the shade. This visit and helps are in a gray shade. Main is having the white shade, so it represents it's a text. Then after that, we have a table. We have a table. Table example. So here we have everything remains same, importing this one, creating a class, creating the constructor of that class, then instantiating the frame. Then we have a two-dimensional array. Table means you can say that it's a row and column. Two-dimensional array. So we are giving the values here. So here this it is a set from here to here. So within set we have a few more sets. So this is the first set. So it represents the first row values. Three values are there. So it means first row is having three columns. So from here to here it is a second row. From here to here it is a third row. Okay. Each row is having three columns. Okay. And we are giving the names to the each column. Okay. So string column, and each column is having a name. First one is ID, second one is name, third one is salary. And we are creating the instance of the class J table. The instance name is JT. For this JT, we are giving data and column. It means what? Data means this array, which is having these many things. Column means this array, which is having these many. Okay. We are setting the bounds for J table and scroll pan. Scroll pan is nothing but if the data values are more, the given frame is not able to uh, display all of them at a given size. You can scroll it down, scroll it up, you can scroll it left, right, like that. If the data is uh, data is more. Otherwise, you can skip this one. Then we are adding that scroll pane to the frame, and we are setting the size for the frame and visibility. So here we are adding SP, that is scroll pane, to the frame. We are not explicitly adding the this one. What is that? J table, because scroll pane is already having JT. JT is nothing but J table. Okay. Now we'll see how it is. This is table example. Okay. See. So this is the table. First column name is ID. This is name. This is salary. Values you can see. Since the data values are very less, you don't need actually the scrolling option. You can see all the values in the given frames. Size is enough. Frame size is enough for the given contents. If the contents are more and frame size is less, then you need to scroll it left, right, up and down. Now, so far, whatever we have done, they are all very static, what you can say, swing applications. Means you cannot do any particular operations or anything. Means whatever it displays, that much only you can see. But in real time, you need to do so many activities with the given uh, application. Okay, so one example we'll see. Say for example, there is a an example dot okay. Okay, here there is a button. If I click here, nothing will happen because we have not given any uh, event handling mechanism there. Okay? So I am clicking on this, but nothing is happening. But in real time, if you click some button, if you select something, the relevant action should take place, right? Okay. So say for example, if you give username and password, and after that, if you click on the login button, it should, if it is successful login, it has to take you to the profile page. If it is not unsuccessful, it should give a message. Okay, username or password is incorrect. But here, if I click here, nothing is happening because I have not written any code for that. Okay. After clicking or after selecting something, if you want to have some action should take place, then you need to have a little bit extra code for that. Okay. Now here. Okay. We import Java AWT dot event. Okay. Now we are in this example, we are looking at the event. If I click the button, the event is triggered, and that has to do some action. Okay. Now again everything remains same. Anyhow, we need to import this Java x.swing. Okay. And the button example one is the class name. Inside that main is there. Inside that we are creating instance of a button, sorry, frame. Then we are having the text field which is named as a TF, and we are setting the bounds for that particular text field, and we have a button here. Okay. Click here. Okay, the name of the button is click here, and for that button also we are setting the bounds. Okay, so this much already you know, but here it's a little bit different. B dot add action listener. Okay, B is nothing but button. Okay, B dot add action listener. So we are adding the action listener. what it has to do. Okay, inside that action listener, instance of that action listener, and inside that we are having a method called as action performed, and here we have an exception action event e. Okay, tf dot set text, tf dot set text, tf is nothing but the text field we have here. For that text field, set to the text welcome to JavaSwing. It means whenever that particular button is clicked, then this has to execute, and this welcome to Java has to be present in a text field. Okay, so we close this one here. Okay, so we close this one here. Then we are adding that button, we are adding that text field, then setting the size for the frame, setting the layout for the frame, then setting the visibility. Okay, now we'll see how it works. One more time, see, if I click here, nothing is happening. But now whatever I am executing the program, once after this much is visible, if I click something, it should give me a relevant action. In this case, the relevant action is if I click the button, this message has to be printed in the text field. Okay, that is what expected. And see how it works. Okay, see. So there is a button, there is a text field, which is as of now it is empty. Now if I click here, that welcome to Java Swing, this has to be printed in the text field. That is the action expected. So we'll see here. Got it. Okay. Welcome to Java Swing. Okay. There is nothing. I click here. Welcome to Java. So this is how we can develop the Java application, which are very much helpful for developing a desktop application. Very useful features we have, and these are the JLabel, JTextField, button, tabbed pane, JList, JComboBox, JTable, simple applications on JavaSwing applets are there in the syllabus. These are the programs which are relevant for. I think it's over according to the syllabus. Thank you.